The Tilite can be drawn and opened in one motion by snagging a quillion, located at the base of its blade, on the edge of a sturdy pocket. The AUS 8A steel blades feature razor-sharp edges and sturdy, needle-sharp points. The blue anodized Tilite features a titanium handle and a distinctive mirror polish blade. Our 6-inch Tilite is virtually in a class by itself. Its extremely lightweight Zytel handle and impressive blade make this knife a formidable opponent in any situation, yet still comfortable enough to carry every day.
Penetrating power on this. Huarache sandal, leather, liner, tire. That's penetrating power.
What I just did was gross abuse of this knife, but it's still holding strong.
Our 6-inch Tilite makes a fantastic pocket stick, or your Wara stick, if you will. You can use the end where it has the exposed quillion to hit with, or you could use the pommel end. The exposed quillion end is a lot more punishing. For the purposes of demonstration today, I'm going to be using the less punishing pommel end.